I say I'm really real. Cause I'm really. What's up, 6'5" Grove Side, baby? Dallas, Texas, what's up with it? I miss y'all. I'm really making them believe. Yeah. It's my world, baby. It's my world, baby. Stay, give me one of this. Sober. I like them. Cause I'm really. Tell them I got all them chains, them diamonds. Tell them I got all that shit on my dresser, Granny. Tell them I got all that shit on my dresser, Granny. Tell them, Granny. Tell them I got them money up under that box, Granny. Fuck you. Tell them, Granny. Tell them, Granny. Tell them I'm only out here because of these motherfuckers following me. Tell them, Granny. I'm no really. Hey. Let them judge you, baby. Put no fear in your heart, baby. Tell Jesus Christ to love you, baby. Let everybody judge you, baby. Let them judge you. Let them judge you. Tell them I know y'all watch. But let them judge you. Let them judge you. Let them judge you. Let's go in the public. Let's go to civilization. Go civilization. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro, this is my world. My world. Come touch me if you want to touch me. My world. Gang, nigga. My world. These my peoples. Gang, these my peoples. Yeah, they my people. Even the ones that you done seized, they my peoples. Yeah. The animals too, the dogs, the birds, they mines. Y'all my peoples. Yeah, bro. Y'all my peoples, fam. Take the fear. Take the fear out of your heart, bro. Take the fear out of your heart, bro. Get rid of the fear. Get rid of the fear, bro. Get rid of the fear, bro. Get rid of the fear, bro. You hear me? Get rid of the fear. Check them out. Check them all out. They gonna check them out. Only the people that notice it is the gangs and the victims. Check them out, baby. Check it out. Check them all out, baby. Check them out. Check them out, baby. Check them out. Check them out. Gang, baby. Don't let them scare you, bro. Keep God in your heart, baby. Keep Jesus in your heart, baby. Keep Jesus in your heart, baby. Don't let nobody tempt you to do bad. You can let others judge you. Let them look at you and think you a bad person. That's them they're gonna be judged by God. Let them judge you, bro. Let them judge you. Let them judge you. Let them judge you, fam. Yeah, Wade, you got me recording, bro. Yeah, Wade, you got me recording. I love you, fam. Yeah, let them judge you, fam. Let them judge you. Check them out. Check them out. You feel me? Check them out. What they gonna do, come kill me? Come kill the nigga then, bro. Cause guess what? I still got faith in God and Jesus. Ha! I'm still gonna ask God and Jesus to forgive me. Ha! I'm still gonna walk in Christ. Ha! It is what it is, baby. Hey, everybody, I'm sober, fam. On God. Sober, fam. Check them out. Check them out, baby. All the people gonna know what I'm talking about is the victims. The victims are the only ones that's gonna know what I'm talking about. You hear me? But those for you others, y'all better accept Jesus Christ in your life. Y'all better accept Jesus Christ in your life. Check them out. Y'all better accept Jesus Christ in your life. Because they gonna judge you. They gonna judge you, fam. Check them out. They gonna judge you, bro. Jesus Christ, they gonna judge you. Check them out, bro. The neighborhood watchers. Check them out, bro. People gonna judge you, bro. They gonna judge your character, bro. Check them out, baby. Check them out. And then get what? And if I am false, and then if I am false, bro, look, if I am false, check them out. If I am false, oh well, I still got Jesus Christ in my heart. And that's all it is. Jesus Christ in my heart, baby. And I thank God to face my fears. You hear me? Hey, y'all, I know I'm smoking these squares. I know I'm smoking the squares, bro, but it's cool, bro. I'm gonna start smoking eventually, you hear me? Check them out, baby. It's your world, bro. The animals get praise to God. Why you can't get praise to God? Hey, y'all, Noah. When Noah stopped the boat, right? Noah had stopped the boat. And when Noah stopped the boat, he sent out a raven bird to fly, to find dry land. So what that means is the raven never returned. So that means the raven kept going until he found dry land. Kept going until he found dry land. So that means he never came back, so he never did find dry land. Okay? Now check this out. So Noah, he waited 7 more days. And then he opened up the windows and he sent out a dove. So the dove flew out. Right? The dove flew out. So when the dove flew out, you hear me? He came back. Guess what? Y'all better come get your dog in line. Listen, so the dove flew. And he came back, he didn't find nothing. So Noah waited 7 more days. And when Noah waited 7 more days, he sent out the dove again. And the dove came back in evening. And he brought back a leaf. The bird brought back a leaf. Say, God love you, baby. I love you too. Shut her down. But the dove, he came back. And when he came back, he brought a leaf, an olive leaf. So guess what? And then Noah waited 7 more days. And after 7 more days, check them out. Check them out. Anyways, after 7 more days, Noah sent out the dove again. And the dove flew out. And he never returned. So that means the dove found somewhere to make a nest. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro. Keep your faith in God and Jesus, bro. You hear me? Face your fears. Don't worry about the tempters. Don't worry about the judges. Don't worry. Peace to y'all, bro. I love y'all.